My long-term mentor and advisor is a lady by the name of Julie Wagner. She's the preeminent thought leader around the idea of innovation districts. And one of her slightly more glib lines is that innovation districts are fueled by caffeine. And the reality, and particularly here in this neighborhood, that's especially true. Now, Wild Mantra is a great example of the cafes of this neighborhood that are driving some of Australia's best coffee and the world's best coffee, in my opinion, in this place. It really fuels.
An opinion.
Thank you. That it really drives how this works. But equally, this neighborhood is underpinned by some of its long-term anchors. And so a business like News Corp has been really one of the change agents. When News Corp moved to this neighborhood, we may have an array of opinions about News Corp, not my place to give commentary. They've been a catalytic actor in enabling the change of what the narrative of Surry Hills is.
96, right?
And so, from what was traditionally a rag trading neighborhood, as we wander around, you'll see we still at the ground plane have an array of clothing wholesalers and specialists. But we're really seeing that evolution to be a place for creatives. The warehouses along here in my lifetime progressively became filled with designers, directors, production companies. And now we're seeing this transition to be genuinely the home of tech. As we look across here and you see the big crane here building Canva's new headquarters, and as we wander along Kippax Street down the bottom here, which Canva have progressively taken over, it's really marked this place as the home of tech. But we're going to wander around the corner now and get to that main crossroad of tech where Canva's headquarters are today.
You may lose some of your tour group around the corner.
It is a flower smell, all right?